Hi everybody, welcome to another video. So I'll be taking you along to a 4-day vacation, or technically I took 4 days off and this is what I did. So here we go. Hi, so he's finally taking me on a date. I'll bring you guys along. Where are we going?
Bay Beach.
What else?
Bowling.
Wow, so fun. So I'm on my way home for my 4-day vacation weekend. Well, I guess it's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days, because including Sunday and Saturday. But I am back in my hometown. Leon, say hi. G. Say hi. Hi. Hi, Maverick. Welcome to your new home. Hi. Yeah. Welcome to your new home. To the Botanical Garden, and then we're gonna stop by Lambeau Field, so bring us along. We're at Lambeau Field. We're currently doing the Hall of Fame tour at Lambeau Field. Hi, currently at Lake Michigan. Just having a vacation, relax, beach day. Wow, are we having a fun beach day today, Madeline?
Yeah.
Yes.
Where we take a walk.
Yes, we're taking.
Cookie. Yeah.
Yeah, are we having a fun beach day? Yeah. Najela. Nance, are you having a fun beach day? Yeah. Yeah.
Nakanya berbuah.
So I also did have off on Tuesday. However, I took Tuesday to kind of just relax and get ready for the work day. But that does conclude my video. Thanks for watching, and if you did enjoy this video, please remember to like and subscribe for future videos. Thanks and have a great day. Bye!